Nag-comment si Sir Naro, sabi niya, sa SMDC, down payment 25K or more, tapos pre-selling 4 years. Saka lang mag-apply sa bank or pag-ibig. Pag hindi na na-approve, diwalay na. Okay, so wala po akong idea kung paano po yung process or payment terms with SMDC. Sa amin po, sir, 10,000 kung true pag-ibig, okay, yung reservation fee, okay, no, spot down payment. And then kung true bank financing naman po, 25,000 reservation fee, no spot down payment din. Okay? 2-bedroom unit na yun. At the same time, meron din po kaming 3-bedroom unit. So, meron kaming 30.60 square meter, 35 and 42 square meter na size dito. Na unit sizes na pwede mong pagpilian. At the same time, okay, flexible yung payment terms dito. Merong pag-ibig financing, merong bank financing, merong in-house financing. So, kung naghahanap ka ng affordable property, low cash out, parang rent-to-own condo, di ba? Na napakamura, napakasulit, na pwede mong simulan for rental business, staycation business, or pwede mong tiran, di ba? Na affordable pero accessible sa lahat. Just follow me and message me.